You ever kind of feel like the holiday season's just full of one mystery after another? You never quite know what you're going to get as far as deals and sales and that sort of thing. Well, here at GigaParts, we're going to make your Christmas a little extra special by putting you in charge of what kind of specials and deals you get. Hi there, Anthony here with GigaParts. Let's talk about the holiday season. That includes Christmas. Look, we don't have time for you to deck the halls. I need to tell you about all of this cool stuff. Did you know right now all Zero PCs are on massive sale? I don't even have time to tell you how much. Come on, let's go. Absolutely huge discounts on 3D printers, 3D filament, and other accessories. Discounts on monitors such as this and many, many more. What are you waiting for? Come on, we got other stuff to see. And if you're looking for an entry-level computer or something refurbished, we have this little guy. This is a whole computer right here in my hands. And for right now, for $199, you can get this guy, keyboard, mouse, and this awesome monitor. It's no slouch either. That's an 18-inch monitor right there. GigaParts is located at 1426B Paramount Drive, just past Providence on 72, headed west. And saving time by shutting the camera off now. I'm sorry to inform you that no, even though they contain screens, VR headsets do not qualify as monitors.